guys, welcome to my new YouTube channel. So today I have came here with a video of Redmi K20 unboxing. So here we go, start up with the unboxing, and I got it from Flipkart, which was going on 17th of July, which was alpha sale. So alpha sale was on 17th and then I got it at a price of 21,999, but you can use your gift voucher and use it and get it only 18,999. So guys, here we start with our unboxing. So here is the K20. You can see the box, and now you can see the outer box and specs. I don't know how you can see or not, but just focus. Yes, so here is the specs and all. 48 megapixel, and 20 megapixel pop-up camera is there. And now I think I should cut out the seal here. Always guys, look for these seals because these are more important, because it proves that it is an authentic product. So always look for the seals. Okay, 1 second. So we got a box. There is a cover only, I think, back cover and all in this box. So yeah, I think box and all is there. So keeping aside the phone and looking at the box. Yes, cover, warranty card, user guide, and hard case. Yes, that's a good thing from Xiaomi, giving a good hard case rather than giving the silicone case. Yeah, nice texture is. Yes, Redmi logo is there. Okay. No. So here comes the, what to say, new beast. Okay. So it has a triple camera, 20 megapixel camera, pop-up selfie, and AMOLED display, which is not super AMOLED but horizon AMOLED, not full super AMOLED display as Samsung gives, but okay. Okay, so you can see the SIM slot here, the micro USB, the volume, speakers. So let's see the chargers here. The charging cable is a C-type cable, and the charger, the Xiaomi tells that it's a 18-watt fast charger. So okay, I think it's a C-type cable, and let's see the charger. Okay, it's 5 volt and okay, 2.5 ampere I think. So it's an 18-watt charger. That's a good thing. Okay, so here is the phone. The look is awesome. Flaming glacier, I think glacier blue is that color, I think. So let me peel this off for you guys. And okay, so there is less bezel. That's the good point out giving. Nowadays bezel-less is the new trend going on. So bezel-less is given by Xiaomi is very good. And notch is also was a trend, but I think better than notch. Upcoming days everyone prefer without notch, I think. So nice display. So let me do the setup and all. So here is the setup. Okay, let me set the fingerprint. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, done. 12 taps. Yeah. So it's a good in display fingerprint. I think it's the new trend, so everyone it is looking for in display. Okay, let me just finish the setup. Oh, it's the ultra wide angle mode. I just checking the camera for you guys. Just look. Okay, nice. Okay, just check me. Okay, let me check the okay wide angle view of this camera. Oh, nice, good. So overall it's really good. So there is a pop-up camera. How is this works? Just check. Yeah, that is it. That is the light that comes out. It really looks good. So one more time. Yeah, it's also fast. Also not that slow. It is also fast. Okay, that light. I like the light. Nice. Okay. So guys, thank you for watching my video and keep subscribing.